Hi, my name is Abhinav Singhal and I am Director, Afterskool Inspire. At Afterschool, we believe that it is very important for us to take the classroom education out of the classroom into the real world. The idea is to make kids ready for the 21st century skills and become tomorrow's problem solver. Here is a look at lot of activities which we do across India in lot of schools. Have a look.